Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to use your Gmail inbox to check mail from other Gmail accounts. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Gmail account, and then click mo lang tong Gmail. And then next step ay dito lang sa top right corner, and then sinik mo lang dito yung settings. And then next step ay makikita mo dito yung quick settings, and then select mo lang yung see all settings. And then dito sa see all settings, dito lang sa taas, select mo lang dito yung accounts and imports. Click mo lang ito. And then next step dito sa accounts and import, scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung check mail from other accounts. And then next, i-click mo lang ito, add a mail account. So click mo lang ito. And then pop up ito mga kaibigan. And add email account. So enter the email address would you like to add. Okay, so any email address na gusto mong i-add dito. So halimbawa maglagay tayo. Okay, so after ka makapaglagay ng email address dito, and then click mo lang tong next. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin. Okay, so magbabasa mo dito na you can either import emails from this email address to your Gmail inbox or link the accounts using Gmailify. With Gmailify, you keep both email address but can manage emails from both using your Gmail inbox. Okay? So, pwede mong i-click tong more about Gmailify, and then silik ka lang dito yung option mo kung link accounts with Gmailify or import emails from my other account, POP3. Okay? So, silik ka lang dito, and then click mo lang tong next. And then, ito na siya mga kaibigan. So, enter the credential to your Gmail account. So, ilalagay mo lang dito yung password, yung nilagay mong email address. Okay? Then click mo lang tong next. Alright? So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin gamitin ang Gmail to check mail from other accounts. Okay? So, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.